How to permanently delete clips from the hard drive after I finished delivering inside Davinci Resolve 17. So from the Deliver tab, go to the Media tab. Here are the clips. Right click on a clip and open File Location. These are the clips which were on the timeline. So select all of them and click on the Delete button. Okay, and after I go back to Davinci, the clips are missing. On the Edit tab, they are also missing. So I can delete everything from here also. Press the Delete button. So the clips were deleted from the hard drive and from the timeline. That was the folder, it's empty. They are in the recycle bin. If you want, you can right click on the recycle bin and empty the recycle bin, and in this case they will be permanently deleted. So currently there's a backup just in case I change my mind. They are for now in the recycle bin. Empty. Yes. And now they are permanently deleted unless I use an unerase tool or undelete.